Hello everyone, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, and this week we have a very traditional oil trade, an event that we've been trading and watching for many years. The API report is a very interesting oil event. It's private for 5 minutes, meaning that subscribers buy the data and the market does not know the results for 5 minutes after the news is actually out. However, we know that the market knows the news instantly, and we're trading those instant moves. You could see the market knows the news. It's 4:30 p.m. on a Tuesday. We're trading oil futures with NinjaTrader, the platform, and the price goes down, hits my first target. Then I put my stop into safety. My second target is going to get hit in a matter of seconds. And in less than 40 seconds total in the market, we made almost $200 trading very conservatively, very few contracts, basically teaching our members how to make money on this event. The API trade is a range trade. Our software actually creates a range using time. And when the price bursts out of that range, that's what causes us to be entered into the market. The range gets broken and we get pulled into the market, and that's how we make our profits. Very nice trade this week. That's why the API report is our trade of the week. You can see the price is known by the market, even though it's only a few seconds after the news is released. It's a private report for 5 minutes for subscribers of the data. But we trade on our inside knowledge. We have this knowledge because we're experts in news trading, and we were able to profit on our knowledge along with anyone in our trade room who traded this with us. The API report, this week's Trade of the Week. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades.